Bell. Nice one, girl. I know. She's got a mind of her own. Get out of here. That's my treats. I get the treats around here. My name's Bell. Right, Bell? I'm good kindness. We got one of them. Give them to me. Get out of here. Adora, those are my candies. Get over there. My dad, my sister over there. Hello. My name's Bell. Bell. Unlock the door. Unlock that door. Get me out of here. Get out of here. Good job. How'd you know to do it? You're smart. That's why. Bell, Arabian American paint. Open that door right now. Get out of there, Dad. Oh, that's a tough lock. What if we lock it up for you? Lock him up, sweetie. Oh, that was fun. Good footage. Thank you. Everyone's gonna think you're famous now, Bell. They call you the Horse Locksmith. Right, Dusty? Adora sweets. Ride 'em, cowboy. Oh no, where's my good girl? Oh no, come in. Say hello to the cowboy and the crew. Stunt chicken. Drinking when I'm drinking out of my hat like a Stetson. Oh yeah, that's hilarious. I know, it's a good joke. It's a good joke. Don't worry, it's a ranch truck. It don't matter. Right? Oh yeah. It's hilarious. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much.